Yep, you read the description correctly here. It's time for you to demolish your real estate business. Now, what do I mean by that? Obviously, if you're a real estate agent and you've been selling for a while, you know the business changes all the time, and the things that you were doing before that worked so well, all of a sudden they're not working anymore. By the way, if you're not familiar with me, I'm Greg Luther. I coach about 30,000 realtors around the country. Today, I am in a Marriott hotel as we do lots of luxury listings around the country, helping out some real estate agents in the state of Florida today. But anyway, back to our topic of you demolishing your real estate business. It's crucial that you do so about every 6 months. And here's what I mean. So, I've been coaching realtors for over 19 years, right at 20 years now, and there's been a million different approaches. I remember when the MLS book was a real book, then we had it on floppy drives, then this whole Realtor.com thing came out. People used to door knock and cold call and broadcast fax. All of the things that used to work. I've got tons of agents that made a bunch of money in Craigslist. But let me tell you something. Every single system that you utilize will dry up. So there's a lot of things that are working right now. It's not going to be working in 6 months or a year. I've got agents that we've been coaching for over 10 years, and they've completely revamped their business at least a dozen times because the things that are working are going to be short term. As an example, you remember during the big crash before, a lot of agents were making money in short sale, and they were making money in REO. If they didn't change their business model, they made tons of money, and then it dried up on them. And they ended up going bankrupt, probably in a worse position than they were to begin with, right? So you have to think about consistently changing what you're doing. As an example, if you're still depending on past clients and referrals, you're making like that much money. I know it works. I know you're getting closings, but you're getting about that many closings. You have to revamp everything that you're doing on a continuous basis. So one of the reasons you're tuned in with me, if you're on my YouTube channel, my Facebook channel, that type of thing, because we're always covering the new things that are working. I'm actually in the hotel room where I've got some time. I'm actually working on some videos for our agents right now. This is the best ad working right now. This is generating luxury level listings. I'm going to be sharing this with all of you over the next few days. As a matter of fact, let me show you one of the things you can do. This is going to help you tremendously. I'll actually walk you through the process while you're watching this video. You actually want to do this right now. I'm going to show you how I can help you with growing your business, and it costs you the low price of $0. So if you have $0 on you, you qualify. What you can do for all of these upcoming trainings and things that we have coming up to help you out, it's all totally free. Here's what I want you to do. I'll walk you through the process. First of all, you want to follow this page. Okay, so if you haven't followed this page, click the follow button. If you are already following this page, click the following button. Either way, click that button, and up is going to pop something that says, see this first. You want to click that and turn on the notifications, or what I like to call ring the bell. You want to do that because what will happen is every time I have one of these trainings or helpful information for you or tips on what you can do to grow your business, it's all totally free. It's on Facebook or YouTube or whatever. You'll get your notification immediately. So again, follow this page. Make sure you click on see this first and turn on notifications. By doing that, as an example, when I release this ad right here, this has a complete training that's going with it. I'm giving it to everybody. You want to make sure you know about that because those things are usually only up for a few days. So you want to make sure you have access to that. That's how you rebuild your business. You demolish what you have currently and you start to build things with what's working in today's market. Right now, the low-hanging fruit, the best business model of all is Facebook ads. It's working well. That's what I just kind of gave you a little glance at there. It is unbelievable how cheap they're generating these leads for, right? We've got agents that are generating leads for under $3 each. To be fair, the vast majority are about $4 each. But we have agents that are under $3 each generating leads. By the way, let me tell you, about 90% of those leads suck. Let me reframe that for you. 10% of them are good. If I can get leads at $4 each, that means every time I spend $40, I got a good client. I'm going to show you how to do all that stuff. So again, you want to make sure you're following us, whether you are or not. Click that follow or following button, and up will pop something that says see this first. If you click on that and ring the bell, turn on the notifications, you will know about these things as they're being released. I'm hoping to have this one ready tonight or tomorrow, and you'll be the first to know about it so you can take action and actually get your business going the right way. First thing is, get comfortable being uncomfortable, doing things you've never done before. Because if you keep doing it, if you say, this is the way I sell real estate, I've done it this way forever, and this is what I'm going to keep on doing, today's as good as you'll ever be. And tomorrow's going to be a lot worse because the things we use that we make tons of money from, they all dry up. So you've got to start thinking about what's the next new thing I can do to stay relevant. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense to you. Go out there and sell some houses today. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. You should see somewhere in the link here, we do a Wednesday training. You can go to closingseverymonth.com, get registered for that. You'll find tremendous value if you can join us on Wednesday's training. I'm going to show you the 4 best ads that are working in today's marketplace. You got to be on the call. We do it Wednesday at 2 o'clock Eastern. You'll see it all if you click on the link there or type in the link, closingseverymonth.com. But again, make sure you're following and see this first. It's going to help you out tremendously in getting notifications on this. Go out and sell some houses. Make it a profitable day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.